Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Blue Cross Blue Shield mobile app, setup guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your mobile device. Locate the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Tap to open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, tap to open Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Blue Cross Blue Shield. Press search to find the app. Once you find the Blue Cross Blue Shield app, tap on it. Look for the Install button and tap on it. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You may also find the app icon on your home screen. When prompted, allow the app to access necessary permissions. Now, you'll need to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you're a new user, select the option to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in your personal information. After completing the registration, verify your email if required. Once you're logged in, explore the features of the app. You can view your insurance details, find providers, and manage your health plans. Familiarize yourself with the navigation options available. Adjust your settings according to your preferences. Ensure to log out after your session for security reasons. Congratulations, you are now set up with the Blue Cross Blue Shield mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.